So we got something really cool in this box today. If you ever do some traveling, say you're going to be gone for 3 months, 6 months, and want to disable your car, this is a great way to do it. Or if you just want to make sure that your car is not going to get stolen, this is a remote control disconnection switch. And let me show you what you get in the box. And this is pretty simple to install. You basically take off your negative cable from your battery, plug it in here or connect it on here, and then connect the other one on the other side here, and this will keep your car from being stolen. You can see it's got a nice little box here, the remote control battery disconnect switch, and see it's got a couple buttons on off. And what you do is you take this, put it on the negative terminal on your battery, and then put the original one back on here, and then you run this guy to power. And it's a very low power, so it's not going to really drain your battery very much. It comes with like a little base here if you want to keep it insulated from your battery, where we're going to put it, and two nice little remote controls, so you can remotely disable and enable your car. So it's kind of cool, especially if you're in a battery. You want to make sure that nobody's going to steal your car. I got a Kia Soul, and if you know anything about the Kia Souls, they basically have they're easy to steal, very easy to steal, and this is a really neat solution to solve that problem, especially if you're in bad areas. For the most part, you don't need this, but if you're in a bad area, or just like I said, you want to make sure that your car is not going to be taken, this will disable your battery. So what we're going to do, we're going to go outside. We're going to install this, and we're going to test it out. So let's go outside and install it. So you can see I have it hooked up over here. I have the positive cable over there, and of course, here's the connection to the car, and that's to the battery, so it's kind of under there. And you can see it's got an on-off button, and I do have hooked up to the positive terminal over there. You can see if I do on-off, you'll hear the relay click. Let's turn it off. Turn it on. You see, you do get an indicator here. It does say that it is on. And if you want to do it manually, you can also do it manually. Just click it off and on from there too. So if you do lose the remote or the battery dies on this guy, you can still turn it off and on by opening up the hood. But all in all, I think that's a really, really great solution because it's very simple. And once you got it installed, basically that's all you ever have to do. I'm going to tidy it up a little bit here in a minute, but you kind of get the idea. On, off, and away you go. So if you don't want nobody stealing your car, this is just an awesome way to go. Very simple to install. I did have to flip over the connector on the other side to get it to far enough down on there, but I think that's how it works. Other than that, it was pretty much just unbolt it and bolt it on. So very nice. And you can see it's got like a little lights here showing it's off and on. So that's kind of cool that it does that. But all in all, very, very simple install. There you go. That's the remote control battery disconnect switch. Really cool device. I really like this a lot. It's kind of an interesting device to have. And I can see a lot of uses for this, especially if you have like a boat, a tractor, or something that you're not going to use for a long time, or you just make sure it's in an area, that you're not going to get stolen. Somebody getting through the key and starting and taking off on it. This is kind of a cool way to do that. Very low power, easy install. Like I said, you literally plug this and take this and put on your neutral, and then move the cable over here, and that's all there is to it. You never have to take it off. You can just leave it on forever. The two remote controls, nice little backing plate if you want to insulate it, and away you go. Very simple, kind of cool. I can see a lot of purpose for this. Probably a lot of people could use this, especially like I said, for theft prevention, things like that, or a Kia Soul. Kia Soul, really good, and that's kind of what we put it on today. But all in all, check this guy out. Really, really nice device.